covering suitings and other applications and fabrics for other applications. But what we have launched right now is actually our jacketing collection. Now, jacketing is a thrust area for our company. We are probably India's most established manufacturer of jacketing material, and you will find that we launched a range which covers, as Ravinder also mentioned, for both men and for women. With this increasing trend in working women, there is a huge demand, and it's actually latent demand now growing for specially designed suiting for women. You will find, for example, we've also launched some reversible kind of fabrics, which can be, the reversible nature can be utilized very well by your tailor in making the jacketing, or some designers even actually make it reversible.
This is reversible.
Like for example that.
So one side will be different texture, and the other side will be a different texture. This is called reversible fabric.
Even demand for textiles per se is a difficult number, very simply because when you talk about a textile market, you are talking about cottons, you're talking about silks, you're talking about blends, you're talking about polyviscose, you're talking about wools. So it's a very, very wide range, which is actually an extremely huge market.
But
and then
you're done for 50 years.
No, I'm just going to come down. And to that you have to also add on, for example, what's the apparel market? Because truly speaking, bulk of the market is now switching to ready-mades, ready-to-wear. So that's a huge swing. This market in India, if I were to take the Indian market, is close to $80–90 billion equivalent, which is huge. But if you come down to what is specifically the wool and the worsted market, that's a much smaller market, and is estimated to be in the range of about 1,000 crores, give or take. That's the wool worsted market. We are one of the companies who's focused almost entirely on wool and worsted. Our big brother, the industry leader, is Raymond, and Raymond actually has a very wide range of fabrics and of ready-to-wear. But we have chosen to focus in our area of core competence, which is the wool worsted fabric. Holland & Sherry is one of the absolute leading manufacturers of superior end suitings in the world. Many of you will recall that there was a big noise recently. I should be slightly off the record here, but anyway, the famous suiting that Prime Minister Mr. Modi wore, which had his name written all over, that was one of the specialized products made by Holland & Sherry. I cannot comment on what its price was because that's become a political issue, but that's the part, and it wasn't sourced to us. But otherwise, yes, we do sell at the absolute upper end. We do already represent Holland & Sherry and sell their fabrics in India. Now we are going ahead to make a Holland & Sherry India Limited itself, which will be owned almost equally by them and our group. And that is, it's got a multiple purpose actually. Purpose number one, of course, is to bring more of the absolute upper end of fabrics to the Indian customer. The Indian customer today is willing to actually spend huge sums of money, particularly wedding wear and party wear, where they spend huge sums of money, where it's actually not worth our while to make it because the volumes are not large enough to warrant manufacturing. Besides that, the idea is also that we will manufacture some fabrics at our unit for distribution through their network, not as Holland & Sherry, but as Dick Chancy at some of their places elsewhere. So the idea is that we are able to capitalize on, if I may call it, what our Prime Minister now calls Make in India. So we are actually moving to developing some more products, Make in India, for the global markets, wanting to also take advantage of their global reach and market.